Hello, everyone. My name is Anthony Rabiselli, and today I will be telling you about my financial plan for the future. In today's fast-paced world, you need to have a marketable foundation of skill and knowledge in order to become successful. Pursuing a college degree or other types of further education can help you establish yourself above the competition in your job field. Some fields require that you have a college degree, while others don't necessarily require that you have one. But there is rarely a scenario where having a college degree will work against you. Obtaining a degree is the first step in my 5-year plan to becoming financially successful. Compound interest is either a penalty or a bonus that builds up over time. It can help you greatly or hurt you tremendously. For example, when paying off college loans, the longer you take to pay them back, the more you will end up paying in total. On the other hand, putting money into a savings earlier and letting the money build up over time can lead to increasing your net worth dramatically. I plan to pay off any loans I have as soon as possible and will put money into a high savings account whenever possible. Investing in the stock market is a way of buying pieces of a company and earning profits based on the way the company performs. While at first the process can be intimidating, there are tools like the S&P 500 Index Fund that will help you to learn the process and successfully manage your way through it. Investing money early into into a company that you think will become successful can lead to a major financial gain. I plan to watch the stock market and learn how to begin investing in the near future. IRAs and 401ks are a way of investing in your retirement. An IRA is set up personally, while a 401k is provided from your company through deductions in your paycheck. Some companies match a portion of an employee's contribution to their 401k, resulting in even higher long-term benefits. If a person is disciplined in their 20s and takes full advantage of their company's 401k benefits, it could lead to extremely high long-term financial gain. I plan to always take full advantage of any 401k benefits offered by the companies I work for. Being disciplined with your money can be difficult. A couple tricks that I plan to utilize would be putting myself on a budget and not being impulsive. There are tools that allow you to put a percentage of your paycheck directly into savings, which would prevent you from spending it. I plan to segregate my money and only allow myself visibility to the portion that is expendable. Another trick I intend to use is to take the time to think through all the possible outcomes of a situation which would prevent me from spending my money impulsively. Thank you for your time.